What's good, people? Doc Motivate hitting you again, and today I'm going to hit you guys up with a quick lesson. All right, today what we have in back of us, we have our LLC, right, which is our limited liability company, S Corp or C Corp, which is very important. You're not going to be able to get these tax reductions. You're not going to be able to escape the 9 to 5. You're not going to be able to purchase these assets without your LLC. Very important that you get started with that LLC. Never mind if your credit's not there yet. Never mind that you got that F on your record. Never mind that. Get it started, get it planning. Contact me if you need help with that, and I can help you out if I have time. Credit repair, credit restoration. It's very important for your credit after you get your LLC to start getting repaired. You want to have at least a 690 to 720 credit score as a personal guarantor in case your business is not old enough to be vouched for. That means you don't have no trade lines on it. You don't have no, you have a slim file for your business, okay? But there's ways around that, okay? So when they run your business, your numbers, your business credit, when they look at what they need to look at to give you funding and give you loan, they're going to check your personal credit. That's right. They're going to check your personal credit as a personal guarantor. So facts. And yes, of course, we need to get the F off of our record. Because when we get deep in business, we'll find out that a lot of lenders and a lot of companies do background checks. So contact me again if you need to get a pardon, if you're in the Delaware area. So that's your credit. That's your credit repair. You know, you want to be able to get that credit repair. You don't want to wait till the last minute. So as you get incorporated, as you get the business, you want to start repairing your credit. Remove all negatives, all them inquiries, all that. Contact me for that. So you got your business and you got your business line of credit. Okay, you can get your personal loan, small amounts, but you can also get in the 100,000s for your business. You know, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about that another time, H Corps and stuff like that. But you want to get that business line of credit, and you want to have your personal credit good too, so you can be fundable personally and through your business. We're going to talk on our next segment of what you need with that business credit. You know, what exactly do you need to be established to get funding? Okay, you're going to need to be, your business is going to need to be in the yellow pages. Your business is going to have a landline. You're going to have a physical address. We'll get into that in another video. But these are the things you need to get started with this year in real time. For the year, you want to start that business. You want to start brainstorming on that business. Also, after you brainstorm the business, after you incorporate, after you got the EIN number and stuff like that and your LLC, you want to start working on your credit. And you can always add positives to your credit. People say, yo, my credit's already good, man. My credit's good. Okay, so where's your black card if your credit's good? Where's your Amex card? Why can't you get funding, a $100,000 loan if your credit's so good? So this is where you can add positives to somebody's account. A lot of people have slim files. A lot of people have no credit. But you can always add positives either way. And last but not least, the business. You're going to need that business established. You're going to need that business line of credit to get you money to them assets. Because you're not personally going to buy that Airbnb. Nah. You're going to let your business buy that LLC. That Airbnb. And your business is going to be the LLC purchasing the Airbnb. Purchasing that nice Hellcat so you can rent it out. Your business is buying that. Chill. Hope you like the message. Chill.